Hi everybody, it's Danny Dancer here at Children's Museum Houston, and as you can see, the museum is now open, yay! So I am actually coming to you from our Junction exhibit, and we have, for those of you who have been here before, a different activity every single week. So every week you come to the museum, we have something different going on. Now for our friends who are at home, I want to show you the activity that we're doing here, and if you want to try this out at home, all you need is a half a sheet of paper. Now I'm actually using kind of a thicker cardstock material paper, and this is an image of glasses as well as the earpieces for the glasses that I have found on the internet and printed. If you want, you can do the same thing, or you could just hand draw them like with a pen or a marker. I'm also using a little bit of cellophane. This is just a clear plastic. You can use any color you want. If you don't have this, you can also use something like plastic from like a Ziploc bag or something like that, or even some of that hard plastic like you might have inside in like a to-go container. The other things you need are some scissors and some tape. Now, if you want to, you can decorate your glasses here at the museum. We have all different marker colors here you can use to decorate. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out my glasses template. Oh no, I can't see anybody. My glasses are working a little too well. All right, so I'm gonna need to cut this middle part out. For this, it's helpful if you just fold it in half a little bit rather than trying to poke through the paper, because we don't want anybody to get hurt. And if you need an adult's help with this, please don't be afraid to ask. Once you've made that little tiny cut in the middle, then it's a little bit easier to cut the inside of your glasses out. All right, friends, I have a friend joining me now at the museum. This is Tishawn. Tishawn, give everybody a little wave for us. Awesome. So we already have our glasses cut out, and we have both of the little earpieces cut out.
Now we put this in.
And now we're gonna put this in. Exactly, he already knows what's coming. All right, so we're gonna set our little cellophane or plastic or whatever we're using. I like putting it on the other side because this has a little outline on it, and I think the outline looks kind of cool. So let's go ahead and flip this over here. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna hand you the tape. Perfect. All right, we'll keep this in the back. That's right, we'll keep it all hidden. And I'm gonna set this down on the table for just one quick sec. There we go. I'm gonna set it down on the table and hold it in your place. You can put a piece of tape right here. Awesome. All right, now I'm gonna show them this really quickly. We have some extra cellophane hanging over the edges, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the extra stuff. And then we are gonna tape the two sides on just like this so that we can wear it. You ready?
Yes.
Let's make it happen. You got the scissors, awesome. All right, I'm gonna get the extra tape off. Do you wanna start working on that side? Nice. All right, I'm gonna get this last little bit off right over here. I will definitely watch my fingers. Luckily, they gave me kid scissors. They knew that was the best choice.
If I cut them, they will hurt.
It would not feel good. I would not like that. All right, are you gonna model these glasses for me?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. All right, Tishawn, here we go. Let's model some glasses. You ready to look cool? And go ahead and pull them down just a little bit so they're right at the top of your nose. Oh, check it out! We got some glasses! All right, it's the test now. Which one looks cooler? Which one looks cooler?
Me!
It's definitely you. I can tell. Awesome. Thank you so much for helping me out, my friend. Thank you, everybody at home, for watching us. We hope you had fun making these Made in the Shade sunglasses, and we hope to see you soon at Children's Museum Houston. Bye.